You can see some of the hoodoos behind me, looking very phallic. I made it out here to Bryce Canyon. You can see some of the hoodoos behind me, looking very phallic. In the middle of the amphitheater, which is the main area. It's pretty awesome here. I've only actually shot Bryce Canyon once for sunrise from the parking lot. Never actually hiked inside, and so it's very interesting finding compositions here, the leading lines, the focal points. As you can see, it's kind of shitty weather. It's very cloudy. It was raining earlier, so I'm sort of scouting, sort of just kind of shooting just compositions. I have a time lapse going up there. Here at Sunset Point, you can see the famous Thor's hammer right behind me. Got a time lapse going up there. I'm hearing my voice echo. It's kind of strange. Sun just rose, so I had the pre-dawn shots going. Had a couple different angles with the time lapse. Got the main shots of Thor's hammer, and now I'm just picking off little sunrise shots with the sun hitting the faces of these hoodoos. Just wrapped up sunset here at Bryce Point. It's the highest altitude point in the park. You see all the valley of hoodoos below me. We had some awesome drama going on with this rain in the distance. Got lit up by the sun. There was colors in the sky in this direction, that direction. I wasn't originally a big fan of the wide shots, but I just ended up shooting a bunch of them, and then we had some light off in this corner. So there actually was a lot of decent shots that I got tonight. Luckily, the weather cleared up just enough for me to come out here to Red Canyon, aka Dixie Forest, and get a bunch of FPV rips in. Like I said, the landscapes look very similar, so I just did a bunch of stuff through the rocks, coming down the mountains. Just now did something through this little dry riverbed under the bridge. But like I said, from here, heading back to Las Vegas, probably gonna stop in Zion, get a few more FPV or something over there. So for this Bryce Canyon portion of it, I'll see you guys on the next episode.